Good day everyone! Welcome to my first vlog. So for today's vlog, or for today's video, let's talk about, let's answer this question. What is faults? And what are the different types of faults? So what is fault? A fault is a fracture or zone of fractures between two blocks of rock. Faults allow the blocks to move relative to each other. This movement may occur rapidly in the form of an earthquake or may occur slowly in the form of creep. So faults may range in length from a few millimeters to thousands of kilometers. So most faults produce repeated displacement over geologic time. So during an earthquake, the rock on one side of the fault suddenly slips with respect to the other. So the fault surface can be horizontal or vertical or some arbitrary angle in between. So that is fault. So the next question is, what are the different types of faults? First thing first is the normal faults. A normal fault forms when the hanging wall drops down in the relation to the foot wall. Extensional forces, those that pull the plates apart, and gravity are the forces that create normal faults. They are most common at divergent boundaries. These faults are normal because they follow the gravitational pull of the fault plane, not because they are the most common type. The Sierra Nevada of California and the East African Rift are the two examples of normal fault. The second main types of fault is reverse faults. So reverse faults form when the hanging wall moves up. The force creating reverse faults are compressional, pushing the slides together, and they are common at convergent boundaries. So together, normal and reverse faults are called the deep slip faults because the movement of them occurs along the deep direction, either down or up, respectively. So reverse faults create some of the world's highest mountain chains, including the Himalaya mountain and the Rocky mountain. The third type of faults is the strike-slip faults. So strike-slip faults have walls that move sideways, not up or down. That is, the slip occurs along the strike, not up or down the dip. So in these faults, the fault plane is usually vertical, so there is no hanging wall or foot wall. So the forces creating these faults are lateral or horizontal, carrying the sides past each other. So strike-slip fault are either right lateral or left lateral. That means someone standing near the fault trace and looking across, it would see the far side move to the right or to the left respectively. So the most famous strike-slip fault example is the San Andreas Fault. And that ends for today's video, guys. So thank you and God bless you guys. Good day.